Number 1. Steam Museum of the Great Western Railway. The Swindon Works of the Great Western Railway functioned for more than 140 years up to 1986 and at one time was one of the largest railway facilities in the world. In 2000, some of these listed buildings became a museum remembering the history of the Great Western Railway. Number 2. Museum of Computing. The museum is in a converted shop by the Central Library on Regent Circus, and it's obvious that a lot of love has gone into the collection of vintage Apple Macs, desktop PCs, laptops, arcade games, and consoles. Number 3. Lydeed Park. The grounds are open year-round and their crowning glory is the now restored walled garden from the 1740s, planted with the same types of fruit trees and flowering plants as almost 300 years ago. Number 4. Swindon Museum and Art Gallery. The museum is in a listed Georgian townhouse and has some worthwhile local archaeological finds like Roman ceramics and coins from a settlement at Wanborough. You can also peruse a collection of Jurassic fossils and a mummified hand from ancient Egypt. Number 5. Coate Water. In Swindon's Coate suburb, there's a park around an enormous reservoir, constructed in 1822 when the River Cole was diverted. The purpose was to replenish the Wilts and Berks Canal, but this waterway was abandoned at the start of the 20th century. Hope you like this video. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel.